High stakes decisions. Master your mind. Who is this course for? Are you stressed? Are you pressured? Do you decide too fast? Do you avoid deciding? Then this course is for you. It's a step-by-step process to make decisions well, so that you won't look back later and regret that you decided too fast or somebody pressured you into something. The first step is to take a pause. The world isn't going to end if you don't decide in the next 2 seconds. Then align your values with the decision that you're making. This requires that you know your values. Take time to make sure that the values that you're living your life by are the ones that you want. We talk about FOMO, fear of missing out. At the end of this step-by-step process, it's also good to reflect. Is this always happening to you? Are there patterns? Do certain people tend to pressure you and you react to that? I've created that bonus section to reflect if there's any patterns that you would like to change. A little bit about me. I've always decided too fast. And yes, I have regrets. I felt pressured. I had fear of missing out or FOMO. Once I slowed down and took it step by step, I have had no regrets. That doesn't mean that I won't make a decision that's wrong or that I could have made a better decision, but at least I know I took the time to really evaluate the pros and cons and how it aligns with my life and my values. My promise to you is that this course will act as a partner for you to walk through your own decisions, so that you can be sure you've thought of all of the angles and are making the decision in alignment with your values. I hope you'll join me.